Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you doing? Hoping you all are passing a great time. This is Shafa, I'm a student from ELC BD. Today I'll talk about birds. So let's start. Birds keep our environment fresh and clean. They can fly with the help of their wings. Our national bird is robin. Its head is black and belly is white. They can sing very sweetly. Another bird is parrot. Parrot is green in color and its beak is red. They can imitate people. Cormorant is a fish-eating bird. They can swim up to 3 meters. We shouldn't kill birds. Thank you for listening to me.